When I started this channel, I never dreamed that I would be getting into the cooking business. But here I am. I'm going to teach you how to make a Fluffernutter, famous in New England, a New England Fluffernutter. Stay till the end, and I'm going to teach you something that's in the Stanford family that whenever I share this with a friend, they go, "You peoples are geniuses." Genius. That's genius. You'll say that at the end of this video. You stay tuned. We're switching cameras now. All right. So what you're going to need is you're going to need some bread. Yeah, because if you're going to make a sandwich, you need bread, right? Now, there's two kind of knives. We've got two knives. We've got a spreader and we've got a cutter. And they're not. This is not a spreader or cutter. We're in New England. Spreader, cutter, peanut butter. And you gotta have fluff, hey? Marshmallow fluff. You see that? Yeah. You gotta have fluff. You people out west that can't get this stuff, yeah, we'll for the right price, we'll send it to you. Now you're gonna just take this, right? Okay. You're spreading your peanut butter around, and I don't give a rip how you put it on there. There's people that are like, oh, you gotta go in this, whatever. The thing is, get a gob of it. You've got to have a gob of it on there. Now, whatever you do, don't get your fluff into the peanut butter. So you start with your peanut butter and you put the fluff on top of it, see? Because you don't mind peanut butter in your fluff. But fluff in your peanut butter, fluff goes hard after a while. And when it's hard and you get these crunchy little pieces of like glass in your peanut butter. That's just, that's not good. Your family, they'll hate you more than they already do. And so here you go. This is a Fluffernutter, but we aren't even close to being done here, because I want to show you something. So that when you put those two together like this, it becomes a Fluffernutter. But what I'm going to do is tell you a family secret. This is actually two secrets. So what you do is you take, if you want to break the barrier of just an amazing sandwich into something angels sing, is you take a little bit of honey and you lay it on there. Some honey and the fluff. You won't need to go to Dunkies because you'll be so jacked up from the sugar. Now, real chefs, okay, because I'm a real chef now. Cut this way. You cut diagonally because it goes in your mouth easier. You don't have to do this big spready mouthy thing. All right. So I've given you one family secret, adding honey. The other thing you can add to this that is grape jelly. That's crazy good. Never marmalade. Marmalade is for people with you get issues if you eat marmalade. But, you know, you put some grape jelly and the fluff and the peanut butter together, and it's just amazing. There are some people that will only eat it with fluff, no peanut butter. They're okay. They're okay. I may have married one of them. And, you know, just fluff is good. But now the final, you stay till the end. Look at the camera shake. The big family secret here is, in August, what you do is around 11 o'clock, right? You make up a pile of Fluffernutter sandwiches. And whatever, you know, whatever bread, whatever you want to put in there, make them up. 90 degrees outside, high humidity. You put these puppies in the freezer, right? You put these in the freezer, and an hour later, everyone's hungry. You say, hey, anybody want some Fluffernutters? They go like, oh, yeah. You put them out on the plate frozen. Their heads are going to explode because they're all hot. They've been playing ball. They've been playing tag. You know, whatever they've been doing out there. And you bring them in and you feed them frozen. You are now a hero in the family. Frozen Fluffernutter. I'm telling you, you've never had anything like it. Thanks for watching. And since you've been to the end, I'm going to let you subscribe for free. Or click like. No charge today.